Welcome to SoFlo Custom Parts. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install the SoFlo Stubby bumper. Let's start with the tools. You will need 18, 7, and 8 mm sockets to remove the screws and pins. You will also need a pick and hook tool to remove plastic and pins from your stock bumper. Flashlight, some extension, and power tool. First step, disconnecting the fog lights and the stock bumper. Next, you will need to remove plastic pins with hook. Using a 5 mm socket, we will need to remove screws from under the bumper. Again, using the hook to remove plastic pins, but this time from underneath. Total of 8 plastic pins. Now you can remove the bottom part of the bumper. Using your power tool, you will need to remove 2 screws from the bottom part of your bumper. Now you can remove this part. Now, you will need to remove 8 screws behind of the bumper using power tool. You can now remove your stock bumper by grabbing onto the hook part of your bumper. That was easy. Now, time to assemble the SoFlo Stubby bumper. First, unboxing the SoFlo Stubby bumper. To install your SoFlo winch, we will first need to remove some screws from your frame using power tool. Total of 4 screws. Now you can install the SoFlo winch bed. Easy peasy. Next step is to install the LED light bar on the Stubby bumper. You can install the LED light bar with 2 screws. Make sure the screws are nice and tight. Next step is to install the cube lights using the install kits. Make sure you slide the nut in the middle, so you can easily tighten it. You want to repeat this for both cube lights on both sides. Make sure the screws are hand tight. Now, time to attach the cube lights to the bumper. Using a 1/2-inch socket, we will need to hand tighten the cube lights. Now, we need to slide the wires inside of the bumper. In this video, we will show you how to connect the lights to your fog light control on your Jeep. Pay close attention to this part. First step is to connect all of the positive and all of the negative wires to each other using wire extension. Now we add wire voltage connectors. Positive wire voltage connectors together and negative wire voltage connectors together. Now, once you connect everything, you will need to heat up the connector to protect wires. For extra protection, we will use electrical tapes and wrap it around the wire. Next step is to make sure the wire isn't exposed anywhere, so we will slide it inside the bumper and zip tie it. Now we bring the wire extension to the opposite side and repeat the process. Once we install wire voltage connectors to the wire, next step is to cut the stock fog light connector out of the stock bumper and add it to the voltage connectors. Make sure you connect the black wire to the negative and the other to colored wires to the positive, both together. Now you grab the stubby bumper by the LED light bar and attach it to your car. You want to slide your SoFlo winch wire from behind the stubby bumper. Last step is to make sure the stubby is tightened. Make sure you use your power tool after you add the washers and the nut on both sides. Your car is now transformed for the best attack with your own stubby bumper. Don't forget to add your SoFlo winch roller at the end. Thanks for watching.